Hello, my name is Millie. I hope that all of you are positive and during these days of COVID and staying inside, you do something productive. This is what I found to do. So this is a look of like modern Snow White, and you will see before and after. This is after, and hope you will enjoy. Stay tuned. So we're starting now with the makeup routine. I have no eyebrows whatsoever. So I'm gonna first do the powder that I'm using. It's Huda Beauty. You see I'm without makeup. I'm gonna first put the powder, which is Huda Beauty. Most of the time when I put the powder, I don't put on my forehead that much, just what's left, because I don't want to have pimples later on. This is what's going on with my face. Sometimes if I exaggerate. Okay, now we are doing eyebrows. I'm using K-Brow from Benefit. It's this small little brush. I'm gonna do contouring. You can use whatever you want, either powder or blush. I'm having products for contouring from MAC. Then I'm using a brush as well from MAC that is special from contouring. If you go there and ask them, they will let you know which one is special for this one. It's really good. Oh, I forgot to take the corrector. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers. That's it. I'm always doing it on my fingers. And I'm doing it with my finger really slowly. Now I'm gonna put some blush. I have blush from MAC as well. Then I'm using bronzer. After that, I'm using this brush, and I'm gonna put highlighter. You can use whichever highlighter you want. The most important thing about makeup, whichever brand you have, is actually to have products when you finish your makeup, to have the product that will keep all of this in place. That's for me the most important thing. Oh. Just a little bit here. So now I'm gonna do my lips. Okay, with the lips, I'm gonna exaggerate a little bit. I'm using pencil from MAC. I always do contour. And then I'm putting primer. That way you can use any brand, like I'm using primer for the lips. It will stay for a long time. And plus makes your lips really, like they're not dry. Now I'm going to use from L'Oreal lip paint. Eyeshadow using Huda Beauty. Putting my lashes. Okay, now my eyelashes. I finally put my eyelashes, but you don't want to know that was a mess. Like, I I don't know how to put them, honestly. I don't use them, but like, okay, I love them, but if someone else can put it. Okay, so this is with the eyelashes, but what I don't like seeing this corner on the sides. So I'm gonna try to improvise a little bit. Let me first, I wanna put the eyeliner. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look.